Alright, today we're going to continue with the Mad Lib story assignment. However, we're going to modify it a little bit. Notice I added the 24th, so 23rd and 24th. It's a 2-day assignment since Monday was such a short period. Most people didn't finish. Now, when you go in, you're going to notice that I updated the assignment here. I crossed off the last video, so even if you were not here yesterday and didn't start the first version, you're going to simply just do version 2, which is the modified version. And so here's the modified version, my example of the modified version. And just want to show you something here. Here was the original version. We're having the user input 5 different variables. We collect that data and then we output it in a story down here. On a beautiful morning in, and whatever they typed for month up here gets output here. So it's kind of a boring, I just tried to make mine with I just did my output as quickly as I could to get these variables used up, but it's not really an interesting story. So 2 things we're going to do for version 2. So here's my version 2, my example of version 2 is, first of all, oops, that's not it, here it is. My modified version 2 starts off by being a little more personable, saying, hello, what's your name? Kind of like we did in the very first program, the names program. Nice to meet you, name. So it's just kind of the computer's giving some niceties at the beginning. And then it says, okay, I'd like to tell you a story. But first I need you to input some more information for me. And now I collect all 5 pieces of data. I have them input a month, a character, location, ingredient, color. Now you guys can change your variables, change to whatever to meet the story that you want to tell. It can be different. You can have different characters. Now, I'm not going to force that. If you want, you can just copy mine right here. That's fine. In fact, you could copy all of my code right up to here, all of this. But down here is where I'm asking you guys to change your code. I want you to type in your own story down here. So my story that I started modifying was, one sunny morning in blank, blank, was walking along the Appalachian Trail. Blank was looking for the long-lost location, whatever the location is. Anyway, so you get the point. I'm changing the story from yesterday. That's what I want you guys to do, but I want you to even change it from this one. I want you to use a different story and practice outputting these variables. Notice they can be used more than once. Like right here, I used character. This is character input. It used to be name, but I changed the variable to character because now I use the variable name up here, which is the person who's running the program. So I changed it to character, my variable, from name, and so on. So have some fun with it, and raise your hand when you're finished. I'm going to be grading this one off your screen.